Hi, here are all unlocking methods of your iPhone 13. So firstly, we need to open settings. Here, find this Face ID and Passcode tab. And as a first step, we can turn Passcode on. Just tap this option. Here you can see 6-digit code, or you can go in its options and select another option. For example, 4-digit, custom numeric or custom alphanumeric. I'm gonna select 4 and then just enter all zeros, and you can see that this passcode can be easily guessed, but I don't mind it will work as an example for you. So let's use it anyway, and now we need to re-enter it. Great. After that, we need to enter our Apple account password, so that is what I'm gonna do quickly behind the scenes, and just go to the next step. So, after we successfully created the passcode, we can set Face ID. So, select this blue option to set it up, and here you will need to position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Select this Get Started button, and now I'm just gonna position my face within the frame and move my head slowly to complete the circle. And now it is completed. It also suggests us to enable Face ID with a mask, but I don't want to, so let's skip this step. And Face ID is now set up. Just tap the Done button, and here you can also choose for what you want to use Face ID. Only for unlocking the phone, or for iTunes and App Store, contactless payments, passwords, out of field. Here you can also set up an alternative appearance, Face ID with a mask. You can reset Face ID, enable this option to require attention for Face ID, attention aware features. Here you can enable stolen device protection just by tapping on the switcher. You can change your passcode in this tab. You can select how to require passcode. In my case, it is immediately. And now you can enable or disable some of these features from this Allow Access When Locked list. And that's it how it works. So let's lock the phone and try to unlock it with the help of Face ID. And yes, everything is working just fine. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.